guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick review for you all. I recently got an essential oils diffuser in the mail from BZ Seed on Amazon, and I wanted to test it out before I did a review, obviously before I even did an open box, so I could tell you guys how I felt about the product. I just put it back in the box so you guys can kind of see what comes in the box. It reduces static electricity, shocks, dry throat, itchy eyes, allergies, sinus, and dry climate. It helps you sleep better, and it's just like nice for furniture decor. So that's what the box looks like. It has the instructions on the side, so it's pretty easy. This is what everything that comes in the package. And then you would lift the cover, you'd plug it in, you'd add water, and then you would add your essential oils, and basically you would just set the mist and then the light of your specification. And one of the things that I really liked about this when I started ordering, I thought I was gonna have to choose a specific color. The outside color does just come in this one, and then there's, I think, a darker alternative color, like a dark brown. But I really like this one. I think this goes with a whole lot more. But I thought the light up colors were something that you were going to have to choose if you want it to light up blue or light up pink. It changes in color and you can choose the color. I liked the teal one, but I liked the pink one and stuff, so it's kind of nice that you get to choose. So, oh yes. So this is everything that it comes with. It has this instruction manual for the aromas, maintenance and stuff, like how to clean it out, so important. And then this is what it looks like on the outside. It's pretty good. It's not real wood, it's plastic, in case you guys were wondering, but it still looks pretty durable. And then this is what the inside of it looks like. And then the back. And then it comes with its cord, and the cord is pretty long, but it's nice to know that it has a little bit of length if you need to run it out a little bit more. And then it comes with this little cup, so it's like a little measuring cup, so you know exactly how much water to pour, because you don't want to overfill it and spill everywhere. So today I'm going to show you how I use that and which scents that I use. Okay, I'm back, and I want to talk about these a little bit. Usually whenever I get essential oils, besides the bedtime ones, or sometimes I get ones that are just like, it says energy on it, so it's a blend of a bunch of different things, usually citrusy. I love, love, love citrus smells. I actually like this brand. I don't know what y'all use, but this one's Nature's Truth. And this time I got cedarwood, and I got a little bit of cinnamon. Normally, I would get something like lemon or grapefruit or tangerine, or sometimes eucalyptus, like for the bathroom and stuff like that. But I thought that fall is just around the corner, and technically for me, it's already here. I am so excited for fall. Like, give me a like or leave it in the comments below if you've just been waiting for fall to roll around. I mean, school's back in session, and for me, it's fall. Anyway, so I wanted to smell a little more woodsy, a little bit more like cinnamon, a little bit more warm and inviting. So that's what I'm going to be using today for the essential oils diffuser, and really soon I'm going to be working on a video called how to make your home smell like fall, so leave it in the comments below if you are excited about that. Okay, so for me, I think the easiest place that I'm going to keep this right now is in the kitchen, and I'm just going to go ahead and set this up so I can show you guys how easy it is to use. So the first thing that they want you to do is plug it in. So you go through the plug-in, which is underneath. It's kind of hidden. There you go. And then you would plug this bad boy into whatever outlet of your choosing. And then it's pretty simple. You just don't put it past the line. There you go. These are new. I have not opened or tried these ones yet. I've just done the citrus, which I already know that I love. Okay, just going to put in a few drops of the cedar wood. And then just a couple of drops of the cinnamon. Going to put the top back on. Going to twist it around. And I guess I'll just hold this up, and then there is the on button here. And then you can set the time, and you can also set the colors that you want. So you can see it color changes. This one has different colors all around, so right now it's purple. And then it changes to red. I'm hoping you guys can see that. This is kind of like a pink red. This one's kind of like a deeper red. It goes into green. I actually really like this green. It's like a green blue. And then purple. And then as you can see, it's already coming out of there, and it works really, really well. Like, I can already smell that it's going around the room. It's pretty potent, so you don't want to put too much essential oils in there. But it works really well with very minimal essential oils, so I'm really happy. I had bought one of these before and it was defective, I think. I had to take it back because not a whole lot of air was coming out of there. I wasn't sure if it was the product or if it was just that one that was defective, but I decided to go with this one, and I'll probably end up sticking with this one. This one works really well. So if you guys want to check this one out, I will leave it in the links down below. I'm not being like sponsored to do this or anything. They sent me the product, but this is just kind of how I feel about the product. I wanted to test it out for you guys, see how I liked it, make sure I wasn't giving you positive reviews on a bad product. I really think that this works really well, and if you guys are looking for an oil diffuser, I would definitely recommend this one. This one's pretty cheap, and it works really well. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you guys liked this product review or want me to do more product reviews. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I'm uploading. I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!